If you like to know what news is trending, but you have no time to read, you can convert a post into audio by setting up an automation on make.com that will convert your specific post into audio. And now you can listen to the post instead of actually reading it. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to create an automation that scrapes a post from the Washington Post and then creates an audio file on make.com. And then you can download the audio file and listen to it instead of reading it. Let's get started. On Apify, you'll head over to Store. And then on Store, you'll find pre-built tools that you can use to scrape the web and automate projects. So here we are going to search for Washington Post Scraper. Here you can choose the maximum of articles that you like to scrape. Let's say we want to scrape 3 articles. To scrape the 3 articles, all you have to do is click on Save and Start, and it will start running with the Washington Post scraper. Now you can see that our Washington Post scraper just scraped 3 news articles for us. Now we can convert these articles into audio by setting up an automation on Make. On Make, we'll start by renaming our scenario. I've named my scenario to Washington Post articles to MP3 audio. The next thing that I'll do is I'll search for Apify. So here, search for Apify, and then click on Apify. Here, we'll choose a trigger. You have 2 triggers, watch actor run and watch task run. Since we are running our actor over here, an actor according to Apify is just another way of saying tool. So since we are running our tool on Apify, we are going to watch an actor run. Then I'll create a webhook. Here you can rename your webhook. So I'll rename my webhook to, then here I'll choose the actor. Our actor is called Washington Post Scraper. Then click on Save. Then click on OK. What this module is doing is just watching an actor run and declaring it if it was a success or if it failed. Now, to actually get the articles that we are scraping, we'll need to add get dataset item module from Apify. Then here we'll add our dataset ID, which you'll find it at the bottom. You'll see the default dataset ID. This is the one that we're going to add right here. And we can set our limit to 1 article and then click on OK. Now, when we go back to our scraper and go to back, click on Start, we'll run our scenario right here. So when Washington Post scraper scrapes our articles, we will see them automatically on our automation that we're setting up right here. So let us wait for our post scraper to scrape the articles for us. See that here we got 4 articles that our tool scraped. You can see that the status was a success. And since we set our limit to 1, we are only getting only 1 article right here instead of the 4 articles. This is the article. If you'd like to open the entire article, we'll just click on text right here and you'll see the entire article right here. To add the article on a Google Docs file, I'll click on create a document, give it a name, Washington Post article. And then for the content, we're going to add the text. Here we're also going to choose the folder location. So I want to add it over here, and then click on OK. Let's see if when we run our scenario, we will add our article to our Google Docs file right here. To do that, I'll run automation, then go back to our actor and scrape a couple of more articles. This time around, let's just scrape a single article. Click on Save and Start. But actor will begin getting our data for us and scraping an article from Washington Post. You can see that it was a success and it scraped 2 articles for us. On our scenario, you will see that our scenario was a success. Here, we got 1 of our articles about Pam McAfee apologizing for using a vulgar word. Here, this is the article that we are getting on automation. So for the full article, all we have to do is just click on the text and you'll get the full article right here. Now this article is being added on our Google Docs file. We copy the web view link and paste it on a new tab. We are getting the entire news article right here on our Google Docs file. Convert our article into audio. We'll go back to make.com and here we will search for 11 Labs and then click on 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an AI tool that you can use to convert text to speech. Now on 11 Labs, you're going to click on create a speech synthesis module. You'll create a connection of your 11 Labs account with make.com. And after you're done creating a connection, you'll choose the voice. For voice, let's say I would like to use retro as our voice. You're going to use 11 multilingual V2 as our model. This is the best model that will convert text to speech. For the text, we are not going to use text from our Google Docs file, but we are going to use the text directly from our get dataset item module. So here, click on text. For the voice setting, you can choose to add any voice settings. So here, like stability, similarity boost, or streaming latency. But I'll choose to leave it as empty and only select the voice, model, and text, and then click on OK. After we have generated our audio on 11 Labs, we're going to upload it to our Google Drive. We'll search for Google Drive and then click on upload a file. On our Google Drive module, we will create a connection between your Google Drive and Make.com. Here you'll add a folder. You'll either select it manually or select from list. And then the drive location will be my drive. And then here you can pick a location. And then for the file, you can either choose to map it or choose the 11 Labs file. But since we are uploading our 11 Labs audio file, we will choose 11 Labs as our file and then click on OK. And then the last thing we'll do is get the shareable link that will help us download the actual file that we generated from 11 Labs. So here I'll get the shareable link. And then for the file ID, I'll add the file ID. For the role, I'll say I'm the owner. For the type, let's say anyone. Allow file discovery. I can say yes. And then click on OK. Now our automation is set up the right way. One last module that we could have added on our scenario is the send an email module. We are sending ourselves the shareable link to the audio file. The subject line could be on the lines of Washington Post audio file. For the email, could be, hey Dennis, here's the Washington Post audio file you just converted. Link, and then here below I'm sharing the link of the Washington Post file, and then adding the link of the shareable link to the audio file that we have uploaded on our Google Drive, and then saying thanks, Lux, and then clicking on OK. When we go back to our actor, and then click on start, and then on our scenario, we run our scenario, click on wait for new data. Our post scraper will begin scraping our article for us, and it ran successfully. And on my email, I'm receiving our email right here, which with the subject line of Washington Post audio file. Then it says, hey Dennis, here's the Washington Post audio file you just converted. Here's the link. Thanks, Lux. So when I click on the link of the audio file, it's taking us over here. Let us play the audio file that we converted from an article on Washington Post. Let us play the audio file.
The White House has been doing outreach to Democratic members. Administration officials held a meeting with the Leadership Congressional Hispanic Caucus 2 weeks ago, before the administration had settled on asylum action, where CHC leaders pitched the executive actions they wanted to the White House to take, and expressed concern with any action that would limit asylum.
So that's the same article that we generated from Washington Post, as you can see from our Google Docs file. That's a simple automation that you can set up today and generate audio files from articles on your news channels. If you have an idea of an automation that you would like for me to create, just comment down below in the comment section. I read out the comments, but for now, that's how you can create an audio file from a news article that you source from your news channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye.